This bird looks like a Disney character, but it's got secrets. Meet the fairy wren, tiny, fluffy, and found in Australia. Looks harmless, right? Male fairy wrens will pluck flower petals and gift them to females, as if saying, "Pick me." But here's the twist most females mate outside the pair. Yep, cheaters, like 70% of the time. To impress females, some males even dress in female colors to sneak around and get extra mates. And despite all that drama, the male still helps raise the kids even if they're not his. Oh, and that singing? Fairy wrens sing to their eggs before they hatch, teaching babies their first call before birth. Follow for more wild animal facts or the fairy wren will steal your girl.